What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am feeling mega island bombshell. I've got the red dress, I've got the red lip, and tonight I am unboxing my IPSY BoxyCharm, or the IPSY Extra from the month of April. Yes, let's just get right into it, okay? So, dare to daydream. You guys, is this a sign? Literally, my YouTube banner is Dare to Dream. I'm taking this as a sign, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Gorgeous girl. Beautiful. This month, see yourself in a dreamy, new, ultra feminine, romantic beauty that brings out your soft side. I literally love that, and I have been embodying that, you guys. Since I left my toxic relationship 1 year ago, I have just been feeling more and more like myself every single day and really gravitating back towards that whimsical, dreamy Julie that I love and miss so much. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, check out my vlogs. They're here. You can get the tea, and yeah. Gorgeous. Purple. It's everywhere. I have been so drawn to purple lately, so 100% feeling that. Yay. Let's see what's inside. This GISOU honey-infused lip oil. Ooh. I already have a lip oil on. I have not tried any products from GISOU. GISOU. It actually has a really strong smell. I'm not gonna put this on because I have stuff on my lips already. My battery's about to die. BRB. Welcome back. My battery died, but we are here. Where did we leave off? Oh yes, the GISOU lip oil. I'm not gonna put this on my lips because I have a very decadent red lip on right now. It smells very strong, actually. It's kind of just a clear gloss with like gold glitter. Next, the TATCHA Dewy Milk Moisturizer. I love TATCHA products. I just love heavily moisturizing products. I know some people don't love TATCHA because of that. It's like a little too much, but I personally love it. What is going on here? Classic purple TATCHA component. Oh, it's a pump. Sheet thick. No real smell. Honestly, just like a very thick moisturizer, obviously. The Maison Louis Fleur de la Passion Hair and Body Mist. Ooh. Love a fragrance. Let's see what we got. Cute little pink frosty. It smells. It's actually a really light fragrance. And is it passion fruit? It has passion fruit, jasmine, and apple blossom, and that is pretty much what it smells like. I do smell the passion fruit. I don't want to say strong because it's a really light smell, and it's very beautiful. Like this just sweet air. It's almost like a summer night in a tropical place. Very light and airy. I actually really like this, like a lot. It smells very high-end, super elegant. It smells like an expensive vacation. Not like coconut and cream and heavy florals. It smells very light and airy and just gorgeous. Love that. Next, we have the MELON DAZE SPF 30 Broad Spectrum. I feel like I chose this product because it's summer. I go through SPF like crazy here in Florida, and although I love the vacation brand, like the whipped cream style sunscreens, I wanted to try this. So. Oh my God. It smells like cucumber melon. It smells like candied cucumber melon. Holy, that smells so good. Like, holy shit, that smells so good. I want to eat it. Win, for sure. Love that. Maracuja Juicy Lip from Tarte in Shimmering Cinnamon. Seems a little off-season with the color, but maybe not. Oof. Are you joking? Come on, zoom in. Look. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. This is insane. The color is gonna look so good. Sun-kissed, a little crispy, a little this, a little cinnamon. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I'm like so excited right now. Honestly, I've been unboxing and I have so many goodies to try, so many new products to try, so. And I am feeling myself in this like red island look. And last, we have the LYS Triple Fix Translucent Setting Powder. I'm like a tried and true for Huda. I love the Huda setting powder. I've tried other ones, nothing compares, to be real. And maybe it's the actual product, yes, but also the scent of it. It just does it for me. There's the packaging. Let's try some. Up here without. Oh wow, do you guys see that difference? Holy cow. Actually that's pretty good. Let's see. Okay, that's really nice. Beautiful. Love that. All right, you guys, that is what was in my April BoxyCharm from IPSY, or my April Extra from IPSY. That was a really good box. Like, yes, if you do not have IPSY, sign up for it. It's so worth it. If you love makeup, if you love skincare, if you love beauty products, like, it's just so fun to receive every month. You guys, I'm not sponsored. I don't make any money off of this. I just genuinely love makeup, and this is love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me. And have a great night, you guys. I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.